Ooh, oh, yawn. I go foof. Oh, yawn. Hinder. It's probably gonna get the video. That'd be so cool. Come on, give me some good lighting. Oh, that was a good one. He says sometimes I'm just messing. Okay. Are you gonna be able to hear Bob? Yeah, no. Well, that was a good one. That was good. That was good. I'd like to have that really loud and just have the video of this and then just the music only. You know what? That's a huge tree. It wasn't that big. We used to, remember? Yeah, I know. We used to climb it all the time. I know. We used to, all four could fit in there, remember? Mm-hmm. It'd be you, me, Jacob, and Ryan. All four of us be up there in that tree. We used to hang out a lot when we were kids. Me, you, Jacob, and Ryan. Me and Nichole. That was awesome. Jacob.